Hello guys, so today I'm going to be folding my Mosin Nagant PU sniper rifle. Here it is. So it's just the same Mosin Nagant, just with the scope. So you can, if you folded the Mosin Nagant already, you can maybe skip around if you like. So I'm gonna go over the gun first, then the scope as well. Okay. So here it is. And guys, please check out my other video as well. And please consider subscribing. So here it is. So first, you need a full sheet of paper. This is a quarter size paper, what I like to use. But you can also use a full sheet of A4 paper. Okay. So first, you want to fold it in half, just like that. Okay. And where the center line is, right here, it's on the bottom, you want to fold this corner in. Okay, so you want to fold this edge up to the top here. Okay, bring this edge right up to the top, just like so, and make sure all the edges line up. Same thing on this side as well. So you want to bring this edge right here right up to the top. Okay, and make sure it lines up nice and crisp. Okay, and now we're going to fold this inside. Okay, so you want to unfold those. Okay, so you're going to fold the crease line right here that we just folded in. So push this corner inside and make sure you fold those crease line that we just folded. Okay, same thing on this side as well. So fold this corner right inside. Okay, and now we're going to fold this edge right up to the top edge. Okay, fold this whole thing in half right here. Okay, and make a good crease right here. Okay, and then you're going to sink this inside. Okay, so unfold that. Then you want to open up the whole area, which is the whole paper, and then you see this crease line right here. You're going to fold up all that crease line right there. Same thing here. Just like that. And you're going to fold down on the center as well. So follow the crease line and fold this whole thing down. Okay, just like that. And same thing here as well. Okay, then make it face like this, so it should look like this. Okay, and now long side on top and the short edge on the bottom. Okay, and now we want to take that front flap right here and fold it right across like this. So this is going to be the magazine and the barrel right here, and you see this flap on the back side right here is going to be the scope. So fold that forward like this. Okay, so it should look like this. And now you see this piece right here, it's going to be the stock. So you want to fold this triangle right here. So you see where this corner is right there? Bring this whole piece inside like that. So I'm gonna first pre-crease it right here, and then you want to open it up. Open up this pocket right here and hide this triangle right inside. Okay. So face it so the longer edge is facing towards you, and the shorter edge is in the back side. Like this. Stock, scope right here, magazine, barrel. Okay, and now you want to fold this whole thing in half. Fold that in half. Make sure the shorter edge is in the back, the longer edge is in the forward. It's in the front. Right here. So you see that slant right there. So it should look like this. And now you want to take this top flap and fold it all the way up, just like this. So make sure the center edge is facing the back side, and here is a slant for reference. So it should be facing towards the back side right here. Okay, and now fold this bottom flap down, but make only until this corner, see the back side, this corner touches the center crease line. So don't fold it all the way down, but fold it until that corner touches the bottom edge or the center crease line right here. Okay, so here's the back side. Should look like this. So it should be near the scope right here. Okay, see, so flip. If you see the back side, here's that corner in the back. Same thing here, but on a different piece, and should be resting on the bottom edge. Okay, and now for the barrel right here, kind of want to slide that up just as it is. Okay, so there's a kind of that fork where the magazine and the barrel sits. There's a thicker side right here. Okay, or there should be a crease line actually right there. So you want to kind of pinch that and kind of slide that right up, and make sure everything lines up with the edges, and fold that right up. So for reference, this is the center line, center crease line should be facing forward. There's a slant right here. So it should look like this. And now I'm going to fold the barrel. So you want to flip it over to the back side right here. And here's a little hard, I think a little hard part right here. So you want to fold this bottom edge up, kind of third way and up to the gun, and at the same time you want to fold that, forward. Okay. So I already made a video on the Mosin Nagant, so there's another one of this. Okay, so let me try again. So kind of loosen that up, fold that edge up about third way, and at the same time you want to kind of fold this whole barrel down. So as you can see, here's a little fold. I'm kind of straightening it out a little bit. Seems about right. Okay, and now I'm going to make the barrel right here. So you see this triangle, and you see where that corner is. You want to fold that triangle back and make a little fish base right here. So bring these two edges together. So fold this whole triangle in half, just like that, to make the barrel. So, and to make the front side, just bend the tip of that triangle. Okay. And now you're going to zigzag fold right here for the stock. So you see where this long piece is, long flap. This is going to be the scope, of course. And you're going to lean against that piece and fold this whole thing all the way forward. Then around there, fold it back out again. Okay, and now you're going to make the top of the stock. So fold this corner in, okay, about halfway. Okay, and for the bottom piece, same thing, that corner, but go all the way to this corner here. And now the magazine. So you see where this corner is right here. See this front edge. This triangle, fold it all the way back, leaning against this corner right here. So it should look like this. And now you see this front edge right here. You want to flip it over to the back side, and you want to fold that all the way to this bottom edge right here. Okay, and now you see this back triangle right here. You want to fold that in, leaning against this edge here. Okay, just like that, and fold it and flip it back forward. This, and kind of open this up and fold this triangle inside right here. Okay, and you're going to put, you see this triangle right here, this triangle. You want to slide that right into this corner right here. Okay, so you can see the triangle, and you're going to see that you're going to fold that top triangle right into this gap right here. Okay, and slide that right inside. Wait. Okay, and now you see this corner right here. You want to flip it over to the back side, and you see this pocket right there. You want to kind of open that up and kind of squish this corner right inside. Okay, kind of, and press it down a little bit to make the belly of the gun. And now for the scope. Okay, so you see this triangle right there? See that corner? You want to fold that triangle right down. And you're going to hide it inside. So you want to open up this pocket right here and fold that triangle right inside. Okay? And now you see, if you look in the back side, you see this corner right there. You want to fold that all the way down to this top edge here. Okay, so bring that corner right down to the bottom. Okay, and now you want to open up this pocket right there and fold that down like so. And you see this bottom edge right here? You want to fold that right up to this crease line right here. Okay. Okay, then you want to unfold. Then you want to bring this whole thing back right up to the end of that crease line. Okay, so put your finger right there. Bring this whole thing back. And you see the crease line right there? On the bottom, you want to fold that crease line down. And now for the top, you see this front edge right here. You want to fold that down to the center crease line as well. Okay. And now you see this bottom piece right here. You want to kind of fold that up into this pocket right here. Okay, so kind of slide that right into the pocket and fold this whole thing in half. And fold it right off to the side like this. So here is my PU sniper rifle. So my Mosin Nagant sniper rifle. So yeah, thank you for watching and have a great day.